A very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we'll be continuing our chapter number 7, that is multiplication and division of fractions. Today we'll be doing the questions from exercise 7D. So take out page number 95. On page number 95, exercise 7D. I am reading the first question of exercise 7D. What is given in the question? David had 8 by 11 hours of free time. So free time of David, it is given in the question. It is 8 upon 11 hours. He spent 3/4 of his free time cleaning his room. David spent total free time available is 8 upon 11. And David spent 3 upon 4 hours in cleaning room. So we have to find the time spent in cleaning the room. So how will be finding it? We will be multiplying the total hours with the time spent in cleaning the room. That is 3 upon 4. Now we can cancel 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. What is left here? 2 and 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 upon 11 hours. This is our final answer. Let us revise the question. It is on page number 95. Question number 1. David has 8 by 11 hours of free time. Free time it is given. He spent 3/4 of free time cleaning his room. So we have to find the time spent in cleaning the room. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 8 upon 11 with 3 upon 4. These values they are given in the question. You have to multiply it. You have to cancel 4 with 8. Then you have to multiply 2 and 3. So you will be getting 6 by 11 hours. Now let us do the second question. What is given in the second question? Question number 2. 3/4 of the class are in drawing club. So class in drawing club, it is 3/4. 2/3 of them are taking part in drawing competition. What fraction of the class is taking part in the competition? What we have to find? So the fraction of class taking part in competition. This we have to find which fraction of the class it is taking part in the drawing competition. So what will we doing? We will be multiplying this 3 by 4 with 2 by 3rd. So this 3 cancel, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. What is left here? 1 and 2. These are left. So half fraction of the class it is taking part in the drawing competition. Now let us do the question number 3. These questions they are based on the multiplication. In this you have to multiply the two fractions which are given in the word problem. So let us do now question number 3. Question number 3. What is given in the question number 3? Ayushri took 5 upon 8 liter of orange juice to school. So how much juice to the Ayushri take? Ayushri took 5/8 liter of orange juice to school. So Ayushri carried orange juice. How much orange juice to the Ayushri carried? It is 5/8 liter. She drank half of it in school. How many liters of orange juice did she drink? So what we have to find? So we have to find the orange juice drink by Ayushri. We have to find the orange juice which has been drink by Ayushri. So what we'll be doing here? We will be multiplying 5/8 with 1/10. These two values, they are given in the question. 5/8 into 1/10. 5/8, it is the total orange juice of this. Ayushri has drink half 1/10 of the orange juice in the school. So we will be multiplying this two. If we multiply these two, 5 get cancelled. Here it comes 2. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So 1/16 liter of milk of orange juice is being drinken by Ayushri. Now in this question, it is also asked how much was left. The second part of the question that you have to find, it is how much is left. So we will be finding the orange juice left. So how will we finding how much orange juice it is left? That is this total orange juice 5/8 liters. We will be subtracting it with the 1/16. 5/8 minus 1/16. So first of all, we will be finding the LCM of the 8 and 16. So the LCM is 16. 16 divided by 8 is 2. So I will be writing here 2 multiplied by this numerator, that is 5, minus 16 divided by 16 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 1. So what do we get here? 2 multiplied by 5 is 10 minus 1. So we will be getting here 9/16. So let us revise this problem again. What is given in the question number 3rd? Ayushri took 5/8 liter of orange juice. This much of orange juice was taken by Ayushri to the school. Ayushri took 5/8 liter of orange juice to the school. So we have to find how much orange juice does Ayushri has drinken in the school. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 5/8 with the 1/10. This 1/10 value, it is also given in the question. You have to multiply it. If you multiply these two fractions, you will be getting 1/16. So 1/16 liter of orange juice it is drinken by Ayushri in school. Now the second part of the question, it is you have to tell how much orange juice it is left. So you will be subtracting this total orange juice with the how much she has drinken. You will be subtracting this. This is the total orange juice, and 1/16 she has drinken this much of orange juice. So you will be subtracting 5/8 with the 1/16. So the subtraction of the fractions, this we have studied in the previous chapter. If you subtract 5/8 minus 1/16, you will be getting 9/16. So 9/16 liter of orange juice it is left. Now let us do one more word problem. In the question it is given that Mrs. Kanshul had 5/9 sheet of chart paper. She used 3/5 of it to make some cards. How much chart paper did she use? So what is given in the question? Chart paper used. Chart paper used, it is given in the question. How much chart paper it is used? It is 3/5. Mrs. Kanshul had 5/9 of the sheet of the chart paper. And how much sheet it is having? The sheet of chart paper she is having, how much sheets she is having? She is having 5/8 of the sheet. So what is given in the question? Sheet of chart paper she is having, it is given in the question, it is 5/8. And how much is used by her? It is also given 3/5. It is used. So what we have to find out? We have to find out how much chart paper did she use. So the chart paper used, how will be finding the chart paper used by her? That is, we have to find it is 3/5 of 5/8. It will be 3/5 of 5/8. So we'll be writing 3/5. Instead of an of, we have to put the sign of multiply. Then we'll be writing 5/8. So this 5 and 5 got cancelled, and our answer will be 3/8. So let us revise this question again. In the question it is given that Mrs. Kanshul had 5/8. Mrs. Kanshul, she is having how much of chart paper? He is having 5/8 of the chart paper she is having. And she has used how much chart paper? 3/5. This much of chart paper she has used. The value it is given in the fraction. So in this we have to find the chart paper used by her. So how will be finding it? It will be 3/5 of 5/8. So instead of an of, you have to put the sign of multiply. Then we'll be cancelling this 2, and the answer that we'll be getting, it is 3/8. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.